August was ready. 你可以影貨就得㗎啦。August was ready. I want to show you for each item of which you order. For the earring item, for the Malachi, 5 pieces, 5 pairs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The necklace with the rose gold painting, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the amethyst, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the second one is for the ring item. For the ring item, each color with 8 pieces. The same Malachi necklace and amethyst. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the matching pendant, you order 3 of them each. 3 of the amethyst, 3 of the necklace, and 3 of the Malachi. With the chain as well. Okay, the next one, that is the nylon strip. You have ordered 12 items and 3 each. One color, you have 2 different tones plating. This is no CC one. The blue one, 3 with the rose gold painting and 3 with the golden painting. And the green one, 3 with the yellow and 3 with red. The red, 3 with the rose gold and 3 with the rhodium. And the gray, 3 with the rose gold and 3 with rhodium. The purple one, 3 rhodium and 3 rose gold painting. And the brown, 3 stamping gold and 3 golden painting. And the other one with the CC in the bucket. The same color tone and quantity. The third one, this is with the CC one. 3 rose gold plating and 3 rhodium plating. The green, 3 with the CC, stamping gold, and 3 with rhodium. The red, 3 with rose gold plating and 3 rhodium. The gray, 3 rhodium and 3 rose gold plating. The purple one, 3 rhodium and 3 rose gold plating. The brown, 3 champagne gold and 3 rhodium. The next one, this is the green nugget. You order 8 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then read the dye color, the red. Each one have 7 pairs. Red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the next, okay, this one is the square one with the small nylon strip, and you have ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colors, each one with 5 pieces. This is the square one. Okay, the square one is half with the quartz and half with the train. Half with train and half with quartz, yes. You have 8 colors and one with white. This is the black one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The red, dark red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is the purple one. And this is the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the burgundy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the gray, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. is the hexagonal. This is only the nylon strip, and also with 8 color. One, two, three, four, five. Gray, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The burgundy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The purple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the same. Okay, you have still another triangle one. Okay, missed from the first strip. Yes, the triangle one, half with the chain and half with the quartz. The triangle one, the triangle one. I want to show you the function with the ball, adjusted ball here, and the small ball at the ends. The red, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. And you can see. Oh yes, this is 4 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the black, 1, 2, 3, 4. The red, 1, 2, 3, 4, dark red. And the gray, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the green, 1, 2, 3, 4. The blue, 1, 2, 3, 4. The burgundy, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the purple, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the earring with the rose quartz, the labradorite, and amazonite. And 3 pair each. This is the rose quartz with the rose gold painting, 1, 2, 3. The labradorite with rose gold painting, 1, 2, 3. And amazonite, champagne gold painting, 1, 2, 3. And then the necklace, 3 color painting and 2 pieces each. this is the rhodium painting. This is the champagne gold painting, 1, 2. And then this is the rose gold painting. The rose gold painting here. And then this is the repair item which you need the 2 stones with 2 pieces each. And attached together in the pack. Earring. The matching earring. The rhodium painting with 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. And champagne gold painting 1, 2, 3. And then the rose gold painting 2 pairs. 1, 2. Okay, that's all here and finish no more. The stamp still here.